So right now it's about 9 in the morning. You usually want to come to this park before 9. They open up at 5 o'clock and close at 10, it looks like. So here's the time. You want to come here either really early or in the evening, like after 5 o'clock during sunset golden hour. It's quite beautiful. This is the main entrance area. You can see there's still a lot of people even at this time when it's warming up. So I just spotted this sign here, and this is the full park. We're actually here by the entrance, and you can see it wraps around the whole lake. And we're gonna hit some of these spots. Yeah, so boat cycling, boat rental, amphitheater, lotus symbolic sculpture, the Buddha statue, fountain. Let's go and check some of those things. And from what I saw online, this is about 200 acres in size, so it's quite large. The numbers for how big this loop is, this loop goes all the way around. I asked the front desk, they said 2 kilometers. So I see different numbers online too, so if I could spot that while we're walking, I will let you know. And here's another cool thing. So they have the tracks laid out. This is the walkway and the running track. And then, like I said, this is the cycling track. What does this say? 10 kilometers an hour. Oh, so that's the maximum speed limit. So let's keep walking a little bit, and you can start seeing the cityscape. Very nice. And then this walkway here is beautiful. During golden hour, everybody comes here, sits down, talking with friends, taking photos, taking selfies, all that stuff. So we're coming up to the amphitheater, and I love how this curves around, and then you've got these nice little benches here. But usually you'd want to sit down here, take in the view, and then let's poke around over here. So this is the amphitheater area. And I've seen people actually doing kickboxing workouts over here, or they're just hanging out reading a book, scrolling their phones like most people do these days. But let's keep walking around. And I love this area back here. Why don't I just give you a little peek. Over here we have all kinds of hidden little walkways. And you can see that it's pretty plush. Nice and green. Great shaded area. So even though it's like really hot right now, you know, this is a nice cool spot to stay out of the sun. Actually, I should just stay here the whole time. But I can't. Look what I just spotted walking. We've got a friend. And this one's a small one. There's some bigger ones here. Ooh, creepy, huh? Oh look, there's a bigger one. Let's go check him out. Alright, proceed with caution. Whoa. Look at that big boy. He's like, don't get too close, I might just turn around. Whoa. Wow. Alright, I'll leave you alone. Whoa, just saying hi. Actually, I just wanted you to hear this real quick. Isn't that nice? Alright, so let's keep going. We'll check out that monument. So I thought I'd show you a different view of this lotus monument here behind me. It's pretty cool, different elevations, different scenery. And these are pretty famous towers. And these nice long stretches are quite nice in the evening. I love coming here taking a stroll. But here you can already see we've got some people out on the paddle boats. This is a fountain. They have it turned off right now, I guess. These two here. Back there is a brand new building that just went up maybe 2 or 3 years ago. It's Queen Sirikit National Convention Center. Here's the Buddha statue. Let's go take a closer look at that. It's pretty nice. Come here and pray, meditate. Why not? So interesting, I just spotted this sign. International Garden. So this whole area where this bike path was going through with all the nice trees and different levels and the birds chirping and all that and beautiful stuff going on, that's part of this International Garden. But I love this circular area here. At night it gets really packed, people walking around. Let's take a peek over there. You can see the sun's up right up here. This is why you don't want to come past 9 in the morning. But I do it for you because I like you. Okay, so we just came through, walking all the way to that side. We've only done one side, isn't that crazy? So we just come across here. Here's the convention center. And then why don't we kind of take a look around here. They were just taking some graduation photos. These purple flowers. You definitely know you're in Benchakitti Park when you see photos with this. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it says 2022. I think they had like some special ceremony or event, but I'm pretty sure this is when this got built. This whole platform area. And then these little boats, these paddle boats, are also brand new. They used to be white, kind of like a swan. Now they're yellow ducks. Again, just admire this view. I love those towers. Those are cool. And yeah, look how nice this is during the day. At night, when this is all lit up, it's amazing. Oops. But I hope you're having a good day. I am. Just, whoa. I'm sweaty. Alright, so now we're walking up next to the boats. Not like this. The cycle path actually verges off and goes to the outside. And then over here, I believe is the bike rental. It looks like you got different options. Which one would you choose? Would you go for the rubber ducky or the white boat? And of course you could always come here and sit down and admire the view in the evening. The last place I'll show you is where everybody usually hangs out. And here you can see that this side of the park is not like the other side where you have all that greenery, that International Garden. So over here you actually have Asok Montori Road and Ratchapidak Road, Ratchadapisek Road. And then where you see that red kind of poking through the fence there, that's actually the MRT station. And since we're standing on this side of the lake, like I said, that's the International Garden, that's the monument that we saw earlier for the lotus. So a real interesting thing happened the past, I think it was about 2 years ago now, I forget exactly, but they opened a whole new section of this park that is completely different from what you're seeing here. It's called the Benchakitti Forest Park. And I have to say that for another day because it's enormous and it's totally unlike what this looks like here. But that's gonna be a special treat. I have no idea how I'm going to show you how that looks, because it's a very modern kind of swamp tropical garden. It's wild. It's wild. So stick around and maybe I'll get to showing you that in a future video. So if you're liking this video and you're liking this tour of the Benchakitti Park, let me know, what is it that you like about this park? What has caught your attention? Because there's so many things to get drawn to here that it's just a very pleasant place to be, you know? I came during the day to be able to record this better, to give you a better preview. But yeah, for me, at night, it's my favorite. Alright, so we're almost at the end. I'll show you the space that everybody likes to sit down and hang out with their friends. And there's no alcohol allowed, but it would be a good place to chill and have a drink. But it's not allowed and you will get fined. Alright, we made it back to the end. And here in this grassy area that wraps around, everybody likes to hang out. You'll just see people seated here, talking with their friends, enjoying the beautiful view at night. Like I said, the best time to come here is during golden hour, right before sunset, and the park closes at 9 o'clock. So just come, enjoy it. It's like everybody else that lives here in the city. So we're back for the evening edition. You can see everybody's kind of lined up already. And then what I'll do is just put the camera up in certain locations that look quite nice once the sun sets, and you'll get a feel for that. And I'll keep quiet after this. So enjoy. Thanks for watching.